This is the Kobalt 64 piece set, ratchet set. I just got this one today. This is the second video that I've done because I messed up on the first one. And it didn't give but 3 seconds on it. But the socket set itself is really nice. It's got screwdriver bits up here in the very top. Those are real nice. These are also under the lifetime warranty guarantee, and a lot of people don't know that. I tear them up all the time, and I just didn't know that. I don't know of any other company giving a lifetime guarantee on the screwdriver bits themselves. Had a little trouble with the socket. I mean, not the socket, but the ratchet. Because if you look right here, there's a little button right here. Let's see. It says push in. And that little teeth is what, that little silver tooth is what holds your piece that your sockets go on. And it's the extension, or the adapter. They call it the 1-inch adapter. And they got these little grooves right here. And that tooth goes down in there and locks that in place, so it don't come back off while you're using it. It's really strong, but if you don't know that button is there, it's real easy to get aggravated with and trying to figure out what you're doing wrong, and it sort of makes you feel stupid, but that's besides the point. But all in all, it's a really nice set. There's some extensions there. There's a little one. Screwdriver bits. And there's your sockets. Camera ain't all that great, and I'm having to use my camera on my phone, but it does the job. I just wanted to let y'all see what's in here and let you know what I think about it. These are for your tires. Those are pretty good size. And these ones are engraved into the socket itself. My other set, and it is a 40 piece. I had to return today because it was messed up, but I'm going to see if they're engraved into it too. But for 5 years and never having a problem out of them, that's pretty good. And that's the end of my review on this. And like I said, this is the 46 piece Kobalt set. Bye.